It's gonna be nice and creamy and cheesy and tasty, and that butter gives it a
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys at home today, what am I gonna be cooking? It's gonna be a case of me cooking for you to show excuse me, I'm vlogging here. Do you mind? Can you text me later, please? Oh, damn. Yeah, I'm gonna be making you guys some creamy Parmesan mushroom chicken. Yep, that's what I just said. Rewind it back, rehear it, make sure you heard me correctly. But before we get to the video, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button. Make sure you hit it. And more importantly, drop me a like so we get the algorithm going up, guys. So here, as you can see, we have some mushrooms. All I'm gonna do is quickly dice some of them. Or all of them actually, because they will shrink. So yeah, it may look like it's a lot, but it's actually not. Because once these bad boys heat up, they just disappear. Like 10 years ago, if you told me come eat mushrooms, I would slap you. Now, I offer you to have some mushrooms. But anyway, there we go. A nice little background story of my life for you lot here. Comment below if you guys want me to give you more details of my childhood stories and stuff like that as I cook for you guys. Hey? I don't know. Just a thought. It's just a thought. If you're interested, comment below. And yeah. Okay, that's the mushrooms done. And you just wanna, what you need to do now is 2 pieces. I'm cooking just for myself, so yeah, I won't be using a lot. And I've only got 2 just so it doesn't look so empty on the plate, basically. But anyway, all you need to do is clean out your chicken breast, get the excess fat off the chicken, just like so. See that there, like it comes in it. Right, and then just check for bones, that there ain't any bones. We're good. There's no excess fat left. If there is, just simply, before you attempt to cut it, make sure you sharpen your knife so it's not blunt like mine. And there you, like, see what it is? We don't need that. Oh wow, I really should have sharpened up the knife. This is so blunt. The joys of being lazy and unprepared for video making, guys. If you want to be a YouTuber, boy, I tell you what, mate, you need to come prepared. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Don't be lazy. Come on, man. Don't be lazy, man. Alright, let's get out of the way. This is getting a bit much. Yeah, we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. Right, we have turned on the heat. Oh, calm down, mate. Calm down, mate. It's only a commercial. Yeah, turn on the heat. Pinch your olive oil. Beautiful. Beautiful, mate. Absolutely beautiful. Stick it in there. Wiggle it about. Wiggle it all about, mate. You know what I mean, love? Right. Get some of that down here. Now stick this bad boy in there. Number 1. And number 2, get rid of this, wash this out the way. See, it's been a couple of minutes. All I'm gonna do is add a pinch of salt, add a pinch of pepper. Okay, not much. Flip it over, flip this one over, let it do its cooking thing. Again, a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of salt. Yeah. Pinch of pepper. Boom. Put the lid back on this bad boy. Okay. Let it do its thing. It is now time to reveal. Right. There you are. Look at that. That's our lovely chicken cooked. All I'm going to do, leave that, you know, as it is. Take it off the heat. Oh, that's hot. Put a lid on that. Leave that for a while. Get our next pan. But before that, let me clear out all this water and all of that. No, that just made it all dirty. Anyway, get that going. Turn on the heat. All you want to do is add yourself some butter. Okay. Come on, mate. A little bit more, and then that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let go, let go. Lovely. Melted? Lovely. Chuck it in there. Let's use that. Look at that. Let that all sit in there. Right. Do your thing, mate. Do your thing. Okay. Look at that. Our mushrooms are, you know, getting cooked and all of that. It's looking good. They're all soft and all of that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now it is time to add our cream. Now I'm going to pour some in, see how much we can get in here, because the level of this, yeah, we can get all of it. We're good. We are jolly good. Right, there's that. And then you want to get a pinch of pepper. You want to get a pinch of salt. You want to get some Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Come on, mate. Get in there. Are we good? Is there any more left? Anything left? No? Yeah? No? Okay. We'll let it go. Right. And now, what you want to do is, look at that butter just raising up and all of that, and beautiful colour and everything. Oh my days. Look at that. It's going to be nice and creamy and cheesy and tasty, and that butter gives it a absolute gorgeous, mate. Do you know what I mean? My mouth is watering right now as we speak. Right, this is on full heat, by the way. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Now, got a bit of spinach. Yeah. Don't really like touching food like that, but when it gets stuck, oh, my hands are clean. I don't know about yours. Yeah. Mix that up with the whole shebang bang. Okay. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, boy. Mix it up. Yeah. So, it's been a few minutes, and look at that. Guys, that Parmesan smells beautiful, absolutely amazing. Give it another mix. Yeah. That is lovely, guys. The smell that's going on around here is unreal. Woo. Now, what you want to do is grab your chicken, one at a time, dash it in the middle, and the next one, Mash that in the middle. Just put it right there. Of course, get the cream. Get the mushrooms. Get the spinach. Cover it up. Now, yeah. There you go, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Here's what we're gonna do. We've got some mozzarella. We got some mozzarella cheese. Okay, anyway, let's not get carried away, shall we? Place it on top. Okay. There we are. I'm gonna have that for myself. It doesn't even have that much taste. It's just, yeah. Turn the oven off, not the oven, this off. Open your oven and place this bad boy in the oven for 6 minutes. There we are. And we've got some garlic bread and all. Woo. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. What we need now is a plate. And then you just want to try and not make a mess. Can you guys see that well? Should have brought up to the camera, but oh well. Look at the melted cheese on that bad boy. Stick it in there. Yeah. Get all the cheese. Yeah, you got to be patient with that one. Oh boy. It's a little bit better, or we can just wash it off afterwards. Clean it up, it's alright. There we are. Beautiful. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That right there is your creamy mushroom, sorry, I keep getting it wrong, creamy Parmesan mushroom chicken. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come